Okay, this is a gold label. Jokerized Joker, which doesn't make any sense to me. I'm going to show you the box. I'm more or less an in-box collector, but as you can see, Target here gives me a smashed corner, which I see a lot on YouTube, a lot of smashed boxes coming from Target. It's kind of funny how when you pay for something, you're supposed to get it in pristine shape, brand new, but what if I give them a ripped $20 bill? Would I still be able to buy this for 24 bucks? Anyway, let me get it out of the box. I know the box, people show the box and stuff. The box is not that big deal to me, and I don't know why people show the barcode, but if you want this figure, you can go to Target and get it. It's a Target exclusive if it's in stock. Let's get it out of the box and I'll talk about it. This is not a Jokerized Joker. When I got this, I thought I seen it. This is not Jokerized to me. I'll get in a minute what it means by Jokerized. This is a wave of figures that McFarlane's putting out there. He's calling Jokerized. This is not Jokerized. This is the Joker. This is just a repaint. There's nothing wrong with repaints if you feel like buying them. I got a few repaints myself. I don't know. I think this version of the Heath Ledger's Joker is better than the movie Joker, and I know people are gonna be like, no, what do you mean, it can't be possible? I know what you're saying. I passed on the first one. If you bought that one, that's fine. If you like that one, that's good. I just passed on that one. I'm starting to pick and choose what I'm going to buy now instead of trying to buy everything in a wave because it gets crazy expensive. But I'm just going to, just like all collectors do, some collectors do, that's fine. If you get all the waves, that's good. I'm just going to buy what I want and when I see it, if I like it. That's about it. And I think most collectors are like that. But back to the situation here is that this is not a Jokerized Joker when it comes to a Jokerized Batman or Batman Jokerized. Now I know what you're saying. They call them the gold label. That means they're exclusive to one store. This Dark Detective Batman has been used already a couple times. This is the third run, far as I know. I actually used this body for that Punisher back there in the back, if you can see it. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. But anyway, I seen this. I thought I'm sold on it. This is the third repaint, I believe, on this particular figure. It came one with a jacket and one without a jacket, and now it came Jokerized. But this is Jokerized. This is Jokerized Batman. That's not Jokerized. That's Joker. And also, right here, that Batman there, right there, is the Dark Knight Returns Batman, the Frank Miller Batman. That's Jokerized. I'll put a picture up on the screen. I don't like that one. I just don't like it. I don't like it. I know there's a few more coming out and get the whole wave. I'm not about getting all the wave. Now, instead of giving me this Joker, but I'm glad they did it because I love this Joker. I know it makes no sense, but it's not Jokerized. I don't understand how it's Jokerized. It makes no sense. But I'm glad they did it because I wouldn't have never bought it. It would never be in existence right now if they didn't do it. This is, to me, is just another repaint of the Joker, which I love it. And I know I keep saying that, but I really love that figure. Now here, let me move this out of the way. This is Flashpoint. I believe this is the last one that McFarlane was able to use guns. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but I bought 2 of these in box. Still have them in box in the back room with my thousands of other McFarlane toys that I shouldn't have bought. But anyway, this should be a Jokerized Batman. That should be a Jokerized Batman. I don't know the meaning behind the Jokerized Batman, but I know they're picking certain ones, and I know there's another one. I'll put this on the screen now. Is that the Christian Bale Batman? This looks stupid. I don't know if I don't know. Like I said, I think it's the Christian Bale. If it's not, it's not. Whatever. But here's the picture on the screen of the other Jokerized Batman that I'm not picking up because it looks stupid. Now, what this Joker came with was just another set of stack of money, like the first one came with, which is fine. I like that. At least for 25 bucks, you gave me something. Outside of that, let me come down here a little bit. Okay. outside of that, this is kind of what sold me on the figure too as well, because I'll show at the end of the video here about what I mean about that, is this right here. This is Bane. And as soon as I saw this, I had an idea. I'm thinking, well, for 25 bucks, I get the Joker, another repaint, of which one I love this repaint. And I know what you're saying. How many times are you going to say it, dummy? I don't know, 1,000 times. There's nothing I would really change about this Joker, except maybe if I was going to complain, I would change his... And I do like that this is not molded on. I do like that. I don't know if the first one came like that, but that's really cool. And I do like the feet, by the way. How it's got the old school Tommy gun type shoes. But I like how this is not molded on there. I like how that's a separate piece. This is a great figure. Now, I'm not going to go too deep with it. I guess these are Bane's fingers and hands and shit. I'm pretty sure. I don't think they're his because they're too big. So they kind of copped out. They kind of copped out on us here, where they give us a head sculpt and two, 4, 6 sets of hands for Bane. I don't need that shit. I don't need that shit. Now, if this is a Jokerized Joker, why didn't I get a crazy, like, look at all the shit you get in here. I don't understand that. But anyway, I'm pretty sure, like, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be a Jokerized goddamn Joker. I could be wrong. I could be making this video for no reason at all. But anyway, the reason is is that I like this. I really wanted to talk about this Joker. So you get all kinds of shit with the other Jokerized. See, I didn't get that shit. All I got is the goddamn Build-A-Bane, which, that's cool. Anyway, let's do some comparisons here. First, this is my Hush / zombie Joker with his hammer. That's a custom I did, where I just took the head sculpt off, Hush's body, painted his jacket purple, and fixed the hammer. And let's see here. All I did was take the hammer and paint it like the Joker. That's about it. And I tell you, it's kind of cheap plastic, because if you let him hold it long enough, I mean, you can bend it back, but it's kind of, it's like, man, come on, guys. Come on, man. I mean, I know it's only a $20 figure, but this is another $25 figure. So, not to be whatever, but I guess since I already have it here, I'm going to show you. This is my custom, one of my custom pieces here. Let me back up a little bit. Right there, all I did is make a base, put the J on there with some Hod Podge or whatever it's called, glued it down. But I won't bore you much longer, if I can even speak. But I'm leaving that in there. I'm not going to take that part out. Anyway, let's get to the next comparison. Okay, this is my favorite classic looking Joker. This is my custom Joker. That was Arkham Joker. He came in purple. He was a light purple, I believe, or something like that, or a light blue. I don't remember. But I changed this one all up. It's on the channel if you want to see it. I think I did a walkthrough with this one. I think I did. I don't know. But I just made everything pink, colored the chain, did the vest, did the flower, did the cuffs down here. You probably can't tell much on camera, but it's a little different pink. But anyway, this is only a comparison. I'm not trying to sit here and show you my shit. So I think that's it. That's all I got. But outside of that, man, I tell you right now, this is one good looking Joker, man. That's one good looking Joker. Now, if you can give us a Nightfall Joker, that'd be pretty cool. But anyway, I know it's been long enough. Apologize for the long video, but I'm pretty sure that this is supposed to be a Jokerized Joker. Okay, here we go. At the end of the video. I know it's been long. I apologize for how long it's been. And I appreciate anybody that sticks around. And I appreciate all the comments and all the long timers that have been here. Now, here's what I saw when I seen that head sculpt inside that Jokerized Joker. I think this could be some kind of crazy repaint. This was the original. Damn. This is the original head. This is the Warhammer 40,000. I think this could be one badass Bane. And I think I could have him take out Batman and make it really bloody with the diorama. The colors, I don't know. If anybody sees this, I appreciate it. Tell me what you think. What color should Bane be for this Warhammer suit? Warhammer Bane. Thanks for watching.